Ayan, malinaw na. Malinaw na siya.
Ayan, this is the plata na po.
8 minutes. Recording 8 minutes.
Organs. Nabona plates.
Yeah, one of the
Fountains. Many fountains.
Nagre-record yan for 8 minutes.
Oh, really?
Hello. Okay.
Dikit-dikit lang.
Man, say something.
Just stop.
Plata Spanish.
It's recording. Just stop. This is the famous plata de
Look at the
España.
people.
People just sit there.
People are stinky and sweaty.
Yeah, that's what they do. Put around.
Mabaho.
My shoes están aquí también.
Yeah, this is the fountain of youth. Fountain of redeem. So the people throw a coin. Ganyan. Yeah, 3 coins in one fountain.
Why did you not throw a coin?
I did, ha?
Kuha ka na retrato.
Wala. 3 coins in a fountain. They cleaned it also. I remember.
Pwede, oo.
Esta es la barca.
Kaso, hindi ko nga kanina maluwag.
Be careful with the next.
Bakit?
It's okay. Pakibula.
Ayun o, umiikot na. Yan.
She was running with the foreign service.
Spanish.
Spanish embassy.
No.
Embassy.
No, queda todo tirado. Como
Old
suelo.
stones,
Ruins.
sculptures, ruins.
Ruins.
Época
Época romana. Before Christ.
Before Christ, yan, mga ruins before Christ.
Nobody can walk in here.
No, they don't know who they run. Wow.
Wow, simangot ah.
That's the end of it.
Tabaan dyan.
Tabako ba?
Gutom na. Gutom na yan.
Look at
Bandido!
Guys.
Bandido! Wow! Dies of Jim.
Diba sa pata?
Bandido! Diba Zapata?
Finlay.
This is yet the last 2011 with Albert and Lucy.
Ano pala kayo ah?
Oo, mali kami.
Australia.
That's their house.
Uy, naalala ko yan.
Remember, Ma? Albert.
House.
Ay, look at the chart.
They just park on the green.
Ese es
The
el
bird. Look at the bird.
Si ano yan? Si anong pangalan?
That's it.
Are you kidding me?
beneficio.
Electric yan. He goes out. Remote for
Championship yun.
Look at
Charlie. Wow.
Charlie.
Yes, the parrot. Train. Hindi.
May aquarium na malaki din sa Roland.
Wala na. That bird, the first day, he looked at him. Si Miguel natakot. But with him, all his other kids go up him. But he never goes anywhere.
Hindi ka natakot.
Hindi ka natakot. Si Miguel
Ganun na niya.
Pero last
Nakita ng bahay niya.
la TTS en el
that Tweety died already.
Tweety.
Ngayon, 2 months ago, yan, Lucy with Charlie. That's me. He goes up, hihigil yan. You know how
Ayun lang pa.
Bira na, napakan niya ni Lucy because she's always following where he goes, where you go. So,
May nakita si Albert sa hayop, no?
that's in apartment Albert's house. 2 months ago, sabi ko sa Albert called me. Alam mo, that Charlie flew away. They didn't know, nagtago.
Oh, bahay niya yun.
No, that's not the song. That's not the word because Albert has a new dog.
I would say, well, that's the one I saw on the video when we FaceTime him. We can FaceTime him on the iPad. So much.
The bird flew away from the sabi ni Albert. Ang police para i-capture the commercial. Called the police and asked. After 2 days, he came back. The bird. Inalago mas nagutong na no, because they're intelligent. There are other birds in the world. The bird just came back. He went inside his cage because his cage is open. May ano pa may sweet pa yan. Meron pang Nalain engineer. That's a small town where we see mainly. Yeah, Jumalit yung bird.
Si Juice Tagmotri.
Si Alfred,
Oh, that's nice.
may papers pa yung bird. The papers. Nakabakuna ba yan? They give you the nature. Bondi Beach.
Kaputi na pala po kaya.
Oo,
This is Bondi
Bondi.
Beach.
The famous Bondi Beach.
Maganda yung beach.
Oh,
Linis. It's
Malaki
clean.
na tubig, maraming shark.
Yeah,
This is the Blue Mountains.
Nakakatakot na po. Kaya ko naman. We went.
Maraming that's in high in the mountains.
The
Three
three
sisters. Three
sisters.
sisters. There's a legend about those three sisters.
Kerry Packer. Kerry Packer.
Mahilig ka pala sa leggings kami.
Sa amin.
Oo.
Sa bahay.
Ayun pala, kasi mag-aan eh.
Tingnan mo ng matagal.
Oh, parang may bungo doon.
Albert went oh, kasama si Albert yun.
May bungo yun eh.
Ang tao dyan sa Hedra na
There's a head
Yeah,
na bungo.
there's a legend. If you check it out in Google,